darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk to you again. Because a vision softly creeping lifted seas till I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light. It split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 2,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools that you do not know, the silence like against the groans. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach out to you. But my words, like silent raindrops fell, and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed in prayer to the neon God they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was for me. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.
Come on, Lucas, yay!